Imagine you have a new assistant at the office. This assistant has a perfect memory and can read a massive encyclopedia in a heartbeat. But when you ask them to fetch a cup of coffee, they walk right into a glass wall because no one specifically told them how to open a door. That is exactly what it's like to work with a computer. It can handle millions of math problems every single second, but it has zero intuition. It possesses absolutely no human common sense. To get this incredibly capable machine to do what we want, we have to learn its specific rules of conversation. Programming is just learning how to give instructions so precise that even the most literal-minded assistant can't get them wrong. Today, we are going to have our very first conversation with the machine using a language called Python. Encouragingly, mastering this simple back and forth is the first step towards bigger things, like teaching the machine to organize huge piles of information or even power artificial intelligence. To start a conversation, we first need to give our assistant a way to talk back to us. In Python, we do this using the print command. And despite the name, this has nothing to do with that physical paper printer in the corner of your office. To use it, we type print, open parentheses, and wrap the words we want the computer to say inside quotation marks. When we run this instruction, the text pops up in the window below. The computer has officially spoken. This is what we call output. It's just the way your assistant finally hands the results back to you so you can see them. But a good conversation goes both ways. We also need a way for the assistant to ask us a question and actually listen to our answer. For that, we use the input command. This is a special instruction that forces the computer to stop what it's doing and pay attention to you. We write the command, open parentheses, and place the assistant's question inside. When the computer hits this line, it displays the question and leaves a blinking cursor. It sits there as long as needed, waiting for you to type. This is input, the specific moment you hand a fresh piece of information over to the machine, so it has something to work with. There is one small catch. If you type your name right now, the computer hears it, but it instantly forgets it the moment it moves on to the next line of code. To solve this, we use a variable, a digital sticky note we label name. We attach our input command by typing name equals at the front. Now, when you type Sarah, that name transfers directly onto the sticky note to be saved. These variables are the memory of your program. They allow the assistant to hold on to information so you can have a real multi-step conversation. Now, let's put it all together: the input, the sticky note, and the output. In line 1, the computer asks for your name and stores it on our sticky note. In line 2, we tell the computer to print the word hello, along with whatever name is written on that note. The computer instantly replies, "Hello, Alex." Every app on your phone and every website you visit is built on this same simple loop. They take in an input, remember it with a variable, and show you an output. You've just guided a literal-minded machine through its very first conversation. In our next lesson, we'll use these same tools to teach it how to do math.